Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to calculate percentage in LibreOffice Calc. This is pretty simple and easy. Calculating a percentage is a straightforward process in the LibreOffice which follows the same principle as most spreadsheet application like Excel. So here I have a table. You can see that I have some students and they have marks obtained from the total marks. So how you can calculate the percentage? So put the equal sign and select the marks obtained slash or divide by total marks, and now put the asterisk by clicking shift plus 8 to put the asterisk and into 100 and hit enter. You can decrease these decimal, go to the ribbon and here you can select delete decimal places. You need to click multiple times to delete the decimals like this one, and now drag the formula to apply the other rows, and here it is. So here you can simply put this percentage formula in LibreOffice Calc to calculate the percentage.